Welcome to the Travelholics world. I want to show you my favorite places in the beautiful country of Slovenia that we visited during winter. Here's my Slovenia top 5. I have to say Slovenia is the most underrated country in all of Europe, from the Adriatic Sea to the Julian Alps. Slovenia has so many hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Let's start this video off at the fairy tale destination of Lake Bled, located about a 40-minute drive outside of Slovenia's capital. The cheapest way to get from Ljubljana to Lake Bled is the bus. Bled is one of Europe's most scenic lakes. It's home to Slovenia's only island, which has a church built upon it now. It's called the Church of Mary the Queen, and it was built all the way back in the 16th century. I definitely recommend renting a rowboat to paddle out to the island, or you can also just walk around the lake's rim. Now, another incredible feature of Lake Bled, it's a castle that was Slovenia's old castle built on the 11th century. After Lake Bled, we are going to head over to the beautiful Lake Bohinj. It's located about 27 kilometers from Lake Bled. You can reach to Lake Bohinj by drive or by bus. This is the largest natural permanent lake in Slovenia. I would recommend at least half day in the Lake Bohinj to explore completely. Slovenia is the land of so many beautiful waterfalls. Since some of them are closed on winter, but you can still explore some waterfalls. Savica is one among them. It nearly 7 kilometers far from the Lake Bohinj. You will have to overcome as many as 553 steps to see the Savica Waterfall in all its beauty. There is no public transportation in winter, so you have to reach there by hiking or by using private vehicles. The fourth one is Mostnica Gorge. This is one among the most beautiful and most visited natural attractions in Bohinj. On the way to the waterfall, you can admire the crystal clear water and the boldly reshaped rocks. This place is best for hiking and located about 3 kilometers from Lake Bohinj. Even Mostnica Gorge is closed on winter. You can hike there and enjoy some part of the waterfall. The last and the best is Kranjska Gora and Lake Jasna. This is the alpine resort of Slovenia. I would strongly recommend this place, especially visit in winter. You can reach to Kranjska Gora by bus or car. It's about 34 kilometers from Lake Bled. You can go by bus from Lake Bled to Leschi, and from there, you will get the bus to Kranjska Gora. Kranjska Gora is an attractive mountain and tourist sports center throughout the year. In the winter, it sees alpine skiers compete, and top ski jumpers break new records at the nearby Pletna. Lake Jasna is the name of 2 interconnected artificial lakes located near Kranjska Gora. It is located 2 kilometers from the Kranjska Gora. You can get into Lake Jasna by car or on foot. We recommend the second one. It is because you can enjoy some scenic views on the way to the lake. During the walk, you can also enjoy the Mostnica Waterfall. Lake Jasna is a stunning alpine lake, which will be mostly frozen during winter, but the views are definitely breathtaking. This is our Slovenia's top 5 in winter. Let me know your favorite places in Slovenia in the comments below.